Welcome back. I'm Wavepunk, and this is day 130 of producing for a year. Today, we begin something new. I said at the beginning of this channel I wanted to work on 3 different projects. We just completed the first project. There's a lot of different things I want to do, a lot of different types of music I want to make, and trying to pick what I wanted to do next was kind of difficult, but I think at this point I'm just going to go with the thing that I've been listening to most recently and that I'm most excited about right now. Can we make drum and bass? Fun fact for any Rocket League fans who are watching this channel, during COVID, the Rocket League casters discovered we don't really need Rocket League in-game sound to be able to cast Rocket League well. And so for many of us, we started casting with music because we actually for the first time had like Spotify on the same computer we had the Observer on and we could do that. And this is what I casted Rocket League to.
Space Station playing together as a team brilliantly. Have the lead again. Now back down in front of first. Killer. Reynolds will block. Here's Typical up for the shot. Passes across. AJ shoots. Oh, and scores top corner. Wonderful stuff, tie game.
So today we're going to see if we can make some. Obviously, we're not going to do that well, and we're not going to get this song anywhere close to done, but there's a lot of good tutorials out here about how to make, or I say they're good. I have no idea if they're good. There's a lot of tutorials. Let's see how much I can learn from the free information that's out there on YouTube, and then maybe I'll ask some friends afterwards who make music like this if they want to come on and give me some better tips.
What is drum and bass?
So the like rhythm of drum and bass is the obvious part to me. That's the part that makes me like drum and bass. The jack rhythm, that's easy. And honestly, kind of the composition part that he's shown so far, I get all that. What I don't know is exactly what makes a drum and bass kick sound like a drum and bass kick. What makes a drum and bass snare sound like a drum and bass snare? So right now, I'm kind of just actually trying to mimic what I'm hearing from him as closely as possible. And this is pretty close.
Rise and even reversing a snare and a kick at the end of the 4 bars.
I tried my best to copy his effects here. This was actually fun. I kind of printed a decent amount of audio. I took the kick and had do kind of a high cut dip, and also had the volume decrease after I printed it. So I took this, printed it into this, then decreased the volume and printed it again. Just kind of, I should have done it all at one time, but left us with this little effect. And I did kind of the same thing up here for our snare, having it sweep up. I didn't do anything with the volume on that one. So combined, those effects sound like this. That was kind of cool. All in all, okay, next. Okay, so, it's taken me about an hour or so to build this. For first time, it's not bad. It ain't that bad. The lead is a little messy. It's a little muddy, and I think we probably need some kind of larger effects and everything. But it was a cool effect. I really like kind of building these little bits to the little fills and stuff like that. I thought those were pretty cool, and using like kind of the printing audio and stuff up here, that felt pretty good. This video I was watching had some really cool techniques to like group your vocals and synths and then put effects on both of them together and create this awesome
will apply to both
effect
knob that automatically moves up and down, creating a pulsation.
That's pretty cool. I will say that the quality of the vocal he's got going is incredibly like genre specific. It makes the song sound so much better. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to record myself in this room and make it sound good, but we'll see. Anyways, for a first time doing this, thought this was a pretty good start. Maybe we'll see how this continues on tomorrow as we continue to try and build this track out, actually format the track, because right now it's just kind of a block of a beat, right? Anyways, thanks so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.